Hi there, Chris Fox here. I'm getting back to this Cummins engine, 743 cubic inch Cummins that I've been working on, and delays and parts and work gets involved in lots of different stuff, and that takes away from everything. But we're back at it now, and I've put the pistons in it. So I lied it down on its side because I don't have an engine stand, so rolling it over on its back and upside down and stuff properly with an engine stand would be the best, but this works. So you can see I have put in 5 out of the 6 pistons, and walk around here. You can see that the bottom end is done as well. And there's the timing gears. All right, so we're gonna do the next piston. So follow along here. All right, back to my very messy shop. All right, so that's number 6 piston. We took it out a long time ago. It was downstairs sitting there. So what we have to do here to prep this piston for installation in the block, take all the piston rings off, and then we'll take the piston pin out so that we can put the piston in an ultrasonic bath cleaner to clean the carbon off the top. I want to clean the carbon off because I want a nice clean piston when I put it back in. Okay, so let's see if I can show you how we do this. Okay, so we want to take the piston rings off. Use a piston ring remover tool. Just stretch the rings and push them off. The oil ring here. Oil ring will be a little bit tricky. Okay, take the oil ring off. And then the spring. And the oil keeper. Right there. And these just slide off like that. Okay, so now the rings are all off. Now we want to take the piston pin out. So taking the pin out, not big of a deal, but it's, with the Cummins anyways, you take the spring clip out. And there's one on the back. Now you'd think this would push out. It is going to. Nope, I thought it wouldn't. And you don't want to jam these either. Okay, it looks like it's going to, but it should push right out, and I can't get it to. It should push right out so easy. And you don't want to do that. Don't want to force it. So take this and we'll put it in a bucket of boiling water. It expands the piston just enough so that you can get that pin out. Okay, boiling water, piston. And you put it in the boiling water. Just let it soak in there for a little bit. Okay, so this can move a bit. We're okay. Now, because this thing is hot, I'm going to use gloves. But remember, I couldn't push that out all the way. Well, now just basically falls out. And that's, so now we'll take this and we'll put it in, take this, and we'll put it in the ultrasonic bath and clean up the carbon on it. All right, so we're gonna take the piston and we're gonna put it in the ultrasonic bath. And it's hot. Hang it. I'm not sure if you know this or not, but with an ultrasonic bath, you can't touch the sides. You shouldn't touch the sides anyways. Because if it touches the sides, it's not the right wording, but it grounds itself out. So the ultrasonic, which creates little bubbles in the fluid, comes up and the little bubbles rise and explode on the bottom of the material you're trying to clean, and that's what knocks the dirt off, or the crud off the item you're cleaning. Simplest form anyways, I'm telling you. But anyway, so that's that. And if it touches the side, it doesn't resonate as well. So let's put that in there and we'll turn this on and come back in 62 minutes and have a look, see how the piston looks. Okay, so after 90 minutes, pulled the piston out of the ultrasonic bath, and all I'm doing is I'm using you can use brass or you can use a very mild brush and just scrape the carbon. Don't try to clean everything right now. Just scrape the carbon. This takes a few times here. You can hold the camera in the right spot. Once you have roughed it up, put it back in the bath, or that's what I'm doing. So we'll put it back in the bath for a little less time. Hang it again. Okay, so after ample amount of time in and out of the bath and using brass and wire brushes to clean up the piston, this is how it turned out. It's not too bad. So now I will install this back in here. Okay, so it's back together. It's still hot from being in the boiling water, and what I ended up doing is I use engine assembly lube, and you coat the races of the piston, and then same thing with the connecting rod. You just slather it in there, slide the pin in, and then put the clip in. I always make sure the clip is sitting at the bottom rather than at the top, but yeah, it's just preference, I think. Anyways, thanks for watching, and next video will be this being installed in the engine. Okay. Again, thanks for watching.